Good evening, viewers. Good evening. What can I say? We have a great show tonight. We got a special guest as well, which we're going to feature later on in the show. It's Mr. Quaker City, none other, a stalwart in the sound business, you know what I mean? Them man we used to follow back in the days, give us enough inspiration when we used to build sound, you know what I mean? So he will be coming on later to spin some tunes. Also, I'd like to big up Robert T with Sound News Extra and Rico and Kay from KMD Studios who put all this stuff together, you know what I mean? But what can I say? We had a great interview with Sound News Extra with Mr. Quaker, and we're going to be bringing him on, and he's going to be spinning some tunes on the old vinyl decks, you know what I mean? But to start the show, we're going to run some tune, and then we're going to bring in Quaker, you know what I mean? And he's going to run some music from there. All I can say is a pleasure for me to have him on our show today. And here's my first tune. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and comment. And here's my first tune for today. The man called Michael Prophet, thing called Conscious Man. Hear them style, yeah. That's how we used to drop it back in there. So after 3 tunes, we bring in Quaker, yeah? Hear them style, people. Yes, people.
She says she wanna be my queen. Her name is Desiree. She says she wanna be my woman, but listen me, I am a conscious girl.
It's a musical showcase.
She go over there, she come over here. She tell her friends I am a papa. Police tell me very
Yes, people.
we all should have one equality.
Nice and easy.
She tell her friends about this. She tell her friends about that. But listen me what I've got to say. Everything I know is true.
Don't you know, people?
It is true.
The man called Michael Prophet.
Go away, girl. You feel my heart beat so. Go away, girl. I just can't take it no more. No,
You know, here, people.
no more.
It's a vinyl showcase.
Yes. She go over there, she come over here. She tell her friends I am a papa. Police tell me very carefully. We all should have one equality.
All right.
Equality.
Now here comes another musical biscuit. You know, here, people. This one by the man called D Brown. Thing called Tribulation. Hear them style, yeah. Don't forget, people, subscribe, share, comment, and like. Here comes the man called Dennis Brown. Thing called Tribulation. Hear them style, yeah. Come down.
I'm only passing through.
The mighty.
Yeah.
You know, here, people.
Rough as the road might seem to be, I'll be toiling on. I'll be myself and no one else. I'll be strutting on.
The mighty.
A man must go through tribulation.
Yes, viewers.
Time alone will tell. But fools knoweth not understanding, and why they stumble.
So we rumble them round here, no people.
Their way, oh yeah, 'cause wisdom is too hard for them.
You're not here, people. It's a musical showcase.
A man must go through tribulation, no matter who or where he's from. If he's a man of understanding, he can know that time alone will.
Yeah, man.
But fools know it's not understanding, and why they stumble, never going in their way. Oh yeah, 'cause wisdom is too hard for them. Oh,
Yes, Dennis. After this one, we bring in Quaker, my special guest. All right. Now here comes another musical biscuit by the man called Light Park. Thing called Slaving. After this one, we bring in Quaker, yeah? And then we come back on again and close the show. Respect, people.
I'm slaving every day for my living, slaving so hard. I'm working every day in the cold mine,
Don't you know?
so hard.
It's the original Siffa thing.
My wife and my kids are crying so bad.
Siffa
My wife and my kids are
Open
crying, they look so sad.
Box
A man can get
Showcase.
money. Can life be so funny? What's wrong with my plans? Oh yes, oh yes. But look like the sun won't shine for me again.
Yes, people.
But I trust the sun will shine for me again. Lord knows. Yes, yes. I'm slaving every day.
Yeah, man.
for my living, slaving so hard.
Them star we I bring back.
I'm working every day in the cold, working so hard. I just can't take it,
After this one,
and I just
we bring in Quaker City, the great Quaker City. Yeah?
can't get no money. Can life be so funny? What's wrong with my plans? Oh yes, yes. I'm slaving every day for my living. Woo, make life easier.
All right.
Yes.
We're going to bring in Quaker City right now. And after this one, yeah, we come back in and close the show. Over and out, Siffa Open Box Showcase. Welcome, viewers. Welcome, viewers. Like I promised, we have the great man today, Mr. Quaker. You know what I mean? So he's going to be spinning some tunes on the Siffa Open Box Showcase. People, don't forget to share, subscribe, comment, and like. You know what I mean? I've just got a few words to say to Mr. Quaker. What can we expect from you today? It was a great interview on the Soul News Extra today. So what can we expect to you today on the Siffa Open Box Showcase?
Well, it's a pleasure to be here, to be on Siffa Open Box Showcase. Right, so all I got to do is just press few music concerning towards the interview, yeah? And what's taking place now and the past. So we're just gonna just play some music to enlighten you.
This one by the man called Coleman Scott. Think called One Teacher, One Preacher. Hear them start, people. Out of the Quaker City box. Hear them start, people.
One teacher, if we only have one preacher to teach your children the right way, then the world will be better today. No more war, he would say. Then we won't never go astray if we only have one teacher.
You don't hear people.
We only have one preacher. Everybody have their own opinion, just like Solomon and Gideon, the wise virgin who trimmed the lamb. The foolish they just didn't understand. If we only have one teacher,
Let them start Quaker City around me.
only have one preacher.
It's a musical showcase. It's the Quaker way. You don't hear people.
If a man offend you, raise his hand against you. Although we are living
Yes, viewers.
in Babylon, then Jah must complete his plan. If we only have one teacher,
You don't hear people.
if we only have one preacher, yeah,
All right.
teach your children the
We're gonna move into the next tune now.
and the world will be better today.
This one by the man called Roman Stewart. Thing called Praise
Then
Jah.
we won't never
Hear them style. Yeah.
go astray.
Back in the day style.
All Luna praise Jah,
You don't hear people.
them I go feel it, yeah. Who no know themself from now, not gonna know themself again. You've got to praise Jah.
You don't hear people.
Yes, you've got to praise Jah. You've got to love Jah. Yes, with all your heart.
The man called Roman Stewart.
Yes, some of them I give Rasta bad name to achieve a little fame. Going around the corner, yeah, sticking up their brother. They're robbing
I
him,
saw Quaker used to drop it back in the day, people.
they stabbing him in the night, and then them shooting. That no right, and then them run left him.
You don't hear people.
Yes, some of them I think Jah asleep, and he's standing right on their feet. When they think it's peace and safety, a sudden destruction. Bring fire, panel seminaya.
Yes, Aya.
That them a Rasta. Bring fire, panel seminaya.
All right, people. We're gonna bring in another musical biscuit. All right, people. Let's come in with another biscuit. This one by the man called Little John. Hear them style that thing called Pray to Jah. Boom. Them one here 29 Maxwell Avenue.
I've got to go down and this and pray to Jah. I've got to go down and this nobody's afraid to judge.
Yeah, man.
I will you, cause no other help but over judge.
Little John.
I will you, cause no other
All right.
but over
Yeah, man. Them style ya out of Quaker box them. I saw Quaker used to drop it back in the day, you know, people. Oh. Oh.
So I've got to go to God, but he's afraid to judge. I want you. Yeah, I've got to go to God, but he's afraid to judge.
All right, people.
Cause once I was crippled, but now I can walk. Covered down. And once I was
Quaker City.
now I can talk.
Respect.
Covered down.
Every time.
And once I was lost, but now that I'm found, covered down. And once I was blind, but now I can see. That's
All right, people. I saw Little John do it. Quaker style. Murder.
Something that I want you to know.
All right.
That's why I made the good love.
We're gonna come in.
Okay, to see.
Sir Quaker, you want to say a few words while you're there? All right. We're coming with the next biscuit. All right. Come down, my upper. Them style here by the man called Freddie McGregor. Thing called Strange Things. So Quaker drop it, you know. Boom. All right. We're going to sign off with this one, yeah.
Strange things are happening.
You know, here, people.
On the peaceful side. Brothers, stop fighting, brothers. Just show it some love and unity. Black sisters
Yes.
can't get no money. And
I hope everything is nice, you know. I just want to just spin a couple of music. If I wasn't have to go, I would stay a bit longer, but I enjoyed the day. Let's take it easy.
Pleasure having you on. Come on, Carl.
strange things are happening. What a peace.
Freddie McGregor.
Brothers, stop fighting, brothers. Just show it some love and unity. Black sisters can't get no money.
I saw we bounced them round there, you know.
Ain't funny.
The Quaker way.
That's why I say, judgment I go dread. Who can't stand it I go dead. Earth I go run red.
What the hell is going on?
Yes, people.
What the hell is going on?
Don't forget to subscribe, share,
Some strange
like,
things are happening.
comment.
What a funny sight. The police them stop raid and crown and not come and start play. Ain't no money, no
I
earth.
saw we bounced them round there, you know.
Think it's peace and safety. A sudden destruction. That's why I say the famine I go dread.
It's a musical showcase.
Earth I go round red.
We're gonna take it down now. Hold tight.
I and I just can't
All right.
understand
What the hell is going on?
All right. Just a final word before we sign off. Pleasure having you on, Mr. Quaker. You know what I mean? Much respect. Great interview. You know what I mean? So much respect.
And pleasure for having me, yeah. Siffa Open Box Showcase. I'm gonna start a special day out to come in and give you a few hours. Yes? Remember that as a challenge. All right. Yes, and
Much respect. It's an honor and a pleasure having you on the Siffa Open Box Showcase. And that was a great interview with Soul News Extra with Robert T. Much respect. Siffa Open Box Showcase. Pleasure to have Quaker City on the show, you know what I mean? And right about now, I'm going to close the show now, right, with a few tune just to say so. So don't forget to, viewers, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. And it's the Siffa Open Box Showcase. Hear them style, yeah. I'm going to end the show with 3 tunes. And the first tune is called Storm Is Coming by the man called Junior Delgado. Hear them style, yeah, people. Come in, my upper. Easy.
Yeah, now, Johnson.
You know, here, people.
The storm is coming. The storm is coming.
You know, here.
We can't don't know. A storm is coming. And we can't never know. A storm is raving. And we can't don't know.
The man called Junior Delgado.
Never have no place to go, yeah.
A back in the day tune, this, you know.
Know what I'm saying, and I know what I'm doing. I'm preaching it to you.
Murder style.
Like the days of Noah, when he built the wall. Yes, he never had no place to go, yeah. Preaching it to you.
Storm is coming.
A judgment is coming, and I'm preaching it to you.
Big up yourself, Siffa crew, wherever you know today.
A storm is coming, so you better put away the arm. Yes, sir, and be careful of the storm.
Nice and easy something.
A storm is coming, and I'm preaching it to you. A storm is raving, yes, sir, preaching it to you.
You know, here, people. Yeah, them style, yeah.
Yes, yeah, now.
Back in the day, something.
Burning ices, burning ices,
All right.
burning ices.
Now, here comes another musical biscuit. Tinkle. Keep the Troubles Down by Flick Wilson. Hear them style, yeah. I saw we versatile around here, you know. Bibo!
To the mirrors of my eyes, it's such a dreadful sight.
Don't you know?
I can see my brothers dying. I can see my sisters crying. People running up and down, saying their house is just burned down. Some are begging, some are buying, some are crying out, saying,
Chihuahua!
keep the troubles down, I beg you. Keep the troubles right on down. Keep the troubles down, I beg you. Keep the troubles right on down. Troubles come from brother, yeah.
Don't you know?
No troubles there, yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's a musical showcase.
Through the mirrors of my eyes, it's such a dreadful sight. I can see my sisters crying. I can see my brothers dying. People running up and down.
All them style we love.
The trouble street downtown. Some are begging, some are buying, some are crying out, saying, keep the troubles down, my brothers. Keep the troubles right on down. Keep the troubles.
All right, people.
Keep the troubles right on down. Troubles brother, yeah.
Now here comes
Troubles come my yada, yeah.
another musical
The troubles down my cross.
biscuit.
Let us leave us one, my sisters. Keep the trouble.
Alright, this one by the man called Freddie McGregor, thing called Revolutionist. Get them style, yeah. We versatile around there, you know, people. Oh, you mean?
I can still hear them say, I'm a revolutionist, away from them.
You know, see it?
I just not deal with criticism. I'm a Rasta man. I'm a revolutionist. We don't care what.
You know, here, people.
I just not deal with criticism. I'm a Rasta man. Now these are the times when chains are pulled from Israel's feet. Them claims say we now go live in peace.
Siffa
You better open up your eyes.
Open Box Showcase.
Your rights, or you will die. Cause I'm gonna lead my tribe of Israelite and fight for their right. That's why them say
I'm a
revolutionist away from them. I just not deal with criticism. I'm a Rasta man.
them tune are wicked.
I'm a revolutionist. Me no care what them say.
Easy squeezy.
I just not deal with criticism. I go repatriate.
I saw we rum them round there, you know, people. Nice and easy.
Say we are Jaja children, we are Israelites, We're passing through people like the Pharisees.
You know, here.
We can't stop them to preach the gospel of Jah, for it's not right. We're gonna have to fight for many days and nights, but it's all alright. That's why them say I'm a revolution.
Shoots and write something.
Away from them. I just not deal with criticism. I'm a
Alright, people. Stop it right there. So, right about now, I'm going to play my last tune. And I'd like to big up Quaker City for taking the time to do the interview with Soul News Extra and Robert E. And also taking the time to spin some tune on the Siffa Open Box Showcase. You know what I mean? So, don't forget, people, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, you know what I mean? And share, you know what I mean? So, until the next time, here comes a tune from a man called Nathan Skies, thing called Matter of Time. Take it away, my operator. Easy squeezy. Come down.
Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah.
You're not here, people.
Yeah, oh. Everything is just a matter of time.
You're not here.
Everything is just a matter of time. Everything is just a matter of time. Oh yeah, it's just a matter of time. Oh yeah, it's a matter of time.
Them style, yeah.
Time is the master. But I am the master of time. Time is the master.
Big up yourself, viewers.
Master of life. Everything is just a matter of time. Everything is just a matter of time. Everything is just a matter.
The man called
Oh yeah.
Nathan Skies.
It's just a matter of time. Oh yeah. It's a matter of time. It takes time to build this world. It's time to rule this universe.
Them style, yeah.
It takes time to build this world. It's time to rule this universe, yeah. Everything is just a matter of time.
Big up yourself, Quaker City.
Everything is just a matter of time.
Every time.
Everything is just a matter of time. Oh yeah. Oh 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 yeah. Whoa.
Yes, people. Taking the show down. Until next time, we have a special guest on.
In the evening when the day passes by, I lift my head
All right, people.
to the sky.
Until
just a matter of
the next time. Siffa Open Box Showcase. Out.